I'll do today. Looks like Tesla went on a run. I'm glad well, actually, let me not jinx it. Okay, cool. It closed around 400. So that's good. Ideally, we can get that all-time high this week at some point. To me, it's just like the irony of the whole thing of it doing all-time high before the end of the year just makes sense considering it's Tesla. So that'll definitely be on watch toward the end of the week. But yeah, some exciting earnings we got. Well, GameStop's exciting. Play is what? Dave and Buster's. Yep. So we'll see what these do, guys. But let me know about the day. How'd it go? What trades did y'all take? I think Jay live streamed for me today. Let me pull up my double chart here. GME is on the right, and Dave and Buster's is on the left. Credits for targets, SPY. Okay. YouTube, Twitch, Twitter. How'd y'all do today? Anything interesting? Some Mara puts, nice. Yeah, I saw Bitcoin sold off a little bit. That pulled Square down a little bit as well. But overall, nothing looked too crazy. How was CPI this morning? Did it do anything? Wait, no, that's tomorrow, right? CPI is tomorrow. Cool. I expected today to be a little bit choppy, so I wasn't too mad that I left, but it doesn't look like it was that bad. Let me look at the times here. This comes out. Not going to be here forever, but definitely will for a little bit. Okay, 4:05 is GameStop, so that's in about 2.5 minutes. I don't have a time on play. What percentage does MU have for next week? It's earnings. It's after hours, December 18th. Well, Micron didn't do very well today. That may have to do with, let's see, where's NVIDIA at? NVIDIA sold off today. I know NVIDIA's had some negative news. I think they're getting, is it sued or investigated by China? So I mean, that's obviously not great. But I don't. Other than that, I haven't seen. I mean, obviously, I haven't really been here all day, but I haven't seen any obvious news as to why chips sold off today. But I don't know. NVIDIA's just kind of been dormant. Like nothing's really been going on. It's just kind of been chopping around. Nothing too crazy. But back to Micron. I mean, Micron's just a smaller chip company, right? Like NVIDIA, AMD to me are like the big names. So Micron's going to follow them. Short term here, 95 is obviously a pretty solid support. You can see we bounced off it 1, 2, and now we're coming back down for the third test. So if we end up breaking through that, I can easily see this coming down to 90, anywhere from 85 to 90. So, it's not something that I'm like going to jump at to dip by, but maybe there's some opportunity there. I don't know. To me, when I see something trading sideways like this, I have no interest in trading it until there's a breakout or a breakdown, because that's where some more action will be. But yeah, I hope that answers your question, Kiwi. If you have anything else on that, feel free to ask. Again, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, you guys can ask questions. I'm sitting here looking at Dave and Buster's and GameStop, waiting for them to report. Cool. Puts and plug yesterday when it went up. It was a good move on my end. Today it's down. Plug. Okay. So what was the idea there on plug? Big move yesterday. I'm guessing that was news. I mean, it moved pretty strong on the 5th. I don't follow plug very closely. I used to, but now it's a penny stock pretty much. What do those options even look like? They got to be pretty cheap. What's up, Latvian? Yeah, I mean, I think on my first one was definitely a lot tougher than I thought it would be. There were people arguing with the professor on that stuff, but I'll talk about all that tonight. GameStop starting to move down. Looks like they just reported. Nothing too crazy yet. Let's see here. EPS 6 cents, adjusted 6 cents, EPS 4 cents was above. Sales 860 million, miss on 887 estimate. So that's probably going to bring this thing down. We'll see though. Obviously, things can change with their earnings call, but net sales down 20%. Yeah, that's obviously negative. But I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I don't know who still shops at GameStop. I don't know why they haven't tried to do more of an online presence. I mean, I don't know who all games in here, but like most people on PC buy from Steam. Other than that, if you're on like, PlayStation or Xbox, they just have like their own stores. So it's obviously going to be a hard market to penetrate. But oh, you do look at their site, Latvian? That's interesting. Duco, no, but there was one chick that was pretty mad. I mean, I was disappointed. I mean, I don't want to totally get off topic here, but like the exam reviews were like on the first test was basically pointless. There was like he gave us 40 questions and like 2 of them were on the test, so everyone was pretty blindsided. But I don't know. We'll see. Even if I mean, I don't think I'll get a D, but if I end up getting a D, I still get the credit. I'm not much of a GPA guy, as you guys could probably guess. Stores are cool. I haven't been to one since I was like probably 10, 12. I remember trying to buy Call of Duty, and the guy has to get like your parents' permission. If Valve, Steam, I don't know what Valve. I know what Steam is, but yeah, if Steam went public, yeah, it would definitely hurt GameStop. GameStop, not much of a big move here. I mean, $27 to $26 move. It's nothing too crazy. You should try Newegg, Latvian. I think Tiger Direct. I don't know if they're still around anymore. Tiger Direct. Yeah, you're either an Xbox guy or a PlayStation guy for sure. You got one on Amazon. What'd you get? Like a new SSD for your PC or what? Micro Center. I've never heard of that. That's cool though. Still waiting here for. Oh wait, no, plug is up. Let's go to play. Play doesn't look like they've reported yet. Yeah, COD's huge. What I had to do, I mean, it's obviously it's different for PC, but like when I have to download Call of Duty from Steam, they make you download. It's like 300 or 400 gigabytes. They make you download like Modern Warfare 2, Modern Warfare 3, and Black Ops. But then once you do that, then you can uninstall them. It was kind of weird, but I mean hundreds of gigabytes. So that's one thing I wish I had. I mean, I have a 1 terabyte SSD, and I wish I had a 2 terabyte. But you know, Is what it is. GameStop popping back up here to 27. I'll stick around for maybe another 10, maybe 15 minutes. So if there's any other questions on other tickers, feel free to ask. These aren't the most exciting names, but GameStop to me is kind of a dud. Nothing really going on here. Yeah, Duco. I mean, honestly, playing Call of Duty on a laptop versus Xbox, I would pick Xbox every time. Simply just because, I mean, unless it's like a super hyped up like gaming laptop, it's gonna be tough. So, and there's crossplay, so it doesn't really matter. You could play with PC guys, PlayStation guys. None of that matters a whole lot. What do you play, Latvian? Anyone on YouTube, Twitch, or Twitter, we do have a 5-day premium free trial. I'll drop the link in the chat for y'all in case you're outside of the Discord and would like to try premium out for 5 days. You'll get inducted on Monday, so you'll get the full 5 days. There's a link right there. Oh, so you're a sports gamer, huh? I'm terrible at those. I'm pretty good at like shooter games, but definitely not sports games. I mean, I can play them, but just never been super great. Play, still nothing going on here. GameStop back up to around close, so pretty much a dud there. Not a whole lot. What's up, Farouk? For anyone that doesn't know, I do a free lesson at 9 p.m. Eastern time tonight. That's where you can bring any sort of trading questions you have, whether it's trading related, trade ideas, psychology, ask about my trading, whatever it is. I'll do it once a week. So I hope to see y'all there. Yeah, I'm excited for GTA. I think there's going to be a lot of crypto related stuff in that, honestly. So that could be exciting for sure. Yeah, Jen, you can ask about whatever you want. I'll be here for another couple minutes, but if you have time tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern time, like I talked about, that's where I can go a little bit more in depth into different tickers and stocks. I'm just kind of here going over the earnings for today, and just for I don't know 20 minutes and getting out of here, just because I do a free lesson tonight. But yeah, any questions, any tickers you guys want? I'll stick around for another 5 minutes or so, and then I'll see the rest of y'all tonight. I don't know when play is. I would think it ought to be out now. We're almost 15 minutes after the close. I don't see any numbers though, so I'll stick around until about 4:20 Eastern. If there's nothing there, then I'll get out of here. Okay, I'll set a notification. Jumia, okay. Let's see here. I know this is one Shy loves, but it's beat down pretty hard from their last earnings. Are you long this, Jen? Or it helps me a little bit to know if you're positioned in it or kind of what you're thinking, because from a technical, I mean, I'm like a scalp day trader, so I don't have much of a long-term stance on anything. Long-term, okay, yeah. So I mean, I know from you may know Shy in the chat, he's kind of our long-term guy. He still likes it. Obviously, like I said, it got hurt pretty bad in August, but I know that he still believes in it. It's just kind of going flat here, but I know that he talked about it when it was $4 or $5 back over here in like April, May, and it did really well. Obviously, it got hurt, so I mean, I think he would consider this undervalued. I think that he still likes it. So he's 75-25, as in he likes it still long. Yeah, no worries, Jen. I'm like the day trading coach, so I don't know if you've come to any of my live tradings, but I'm a very, very quick day trader, and I typically only pay attention to like the mega cap names like Tesla, Meta, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, stuff like that. Um, I don't really do anything long term. Okay, so he's gonna wait for about 2 more quarters. Okay, sold all yours. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I have no position in Jumia. I haven't traded it before. I know from Shy and Quinch and stuff that they like it, but I don't know much fundamentally. I really don't even know what the company does, so I don't want to persuade you, in the wrong way. Oh, nice, Porter. Look at you. Yeah, I mean, I would definitely want to see it start closing above $5. I think if it gets under four, it's either going to be a bargain for long term, or to me, for a short term trade, I'm probably looking to get out of that if I'm long. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Dub. AS. What is it? ASPI. So again, I'm not much of a penny stock trader. I mean, this isn't necessarily a penny stock, but it is pretty cheap. Even bag holding $6 January calls. Yeah, I mean, I don't see any sort of breakout pattern here. I mean, I definitely can see that this $4 level is going to act as some sort of support. So keep that in mind. If I'm looking to go long, I don't want to see it break under $4, especially if you're already long. So that's something. Okay, play's moving. Yeah, wow, play just dumped. Look at that. Bye bye. Yeah, but anytime someone tells you they're bag holding, that proves to me that they're not. They one, maybe they didn't have a plan, or two, they're not following it. Bag holding is not a trading style or a strategy. So to me, if you're already like just betting on hope, then it's probably best to cut it. That means that the stock's not doing what you wanted and not doing, what you may have been planning for. So, it's easier to just sell it and move on and just not look back at it rather than just stress out about it every single day, especially for a stock that doesn't do a whole lot. Maybe there's one big move up and maybe another big move down, but then, 90% of the time it's not moving. And especially if you're in options, you're going to be losing value from time decay. So, just stuff to consider. Any other questions here? Probably going to head out in a couple minutes, and then I'll regroup with all of you guys tonight at 9 p.m. Anything else, y'all? Again, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter. I put the 5-day free trial to our premium section in the Discord in the comments there. If you scan that QR code as well, you can try out the coaching for day trading. There's plenty of other coaches here: long-term, swing trading, technical analysis, crypto, passive options, pretty much anything that you want. Okay, yeah, I don't know. I've been busy all day, so I haven't really been around. I saw that there was some Walgreens news today that they're going to get bought out. I know that back in, I think, June, they were like closing stores and stuff. So I mean, a lot of the guys who I know that have traded for a while, they thought the stock was going to go next to nothing. So I don't know that they're short anymore, but they were short for a while. But yeah, some news on that. I think Walgreens is dead. I mean, I guess CVS is taking over. I don't really know, but no bueno there. All right, last call. Any questions, guys, before I get out of here? I'll wait one more minute. If not, I hope to see y'all tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern time. Another, like I said, free lesson. Bring any sort of questions you want. There's no bad questions, and I'll that typically goes for about an hour. So a lot of time there to get anything out that you want. Dabrowski, it looks like you're new. I'll send the premium 5-day free trial link in here for you. If you want to try it, you'll get inducted on Monday. So you'll have 5 days in premium to check it out. See if you want to do it. I'll add you as a friend as well if you have any questions, just so you don't get added by a Ethan scammer, a fake one. There's a lot, especially Nikki. She has a ton of fake accounts. Cool, thanks. All right, so you added me back. I'll message you real quick. I'll say real Ethan so you know. Done. All right, y'all. I'm not seeing any questions. So y'all have a good rest of the day, and I'll see y'all tonight at 9 p.m.